Kevin Blackcomb. Today we are going to be talking about the Olio Mustache Wax. It's an all-natural, vegan-friendly product, gluten-free, all of the good stuff. So today we're going to be curling his mustache. So the way I like to get it, scoop it out with your thumb, kind of like this, and then put it in our fingers and break it down. Like this. You want to break it down, multiply it all the way down, and then you just start with putting it in. Use your fingers to shape it, get the curl. It's really important to break down the mustache wax before you get it in there, otherwise it'll just be clumpy.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
And just like that, you got a perfectly shaped mustache.